This is the NatureBell Organic Myco Guardians 10-in-1 Mushroom Complex powder. I love this stuff. I started putting this in my coffee, and I really like the energy boost I get out of it. I had originally gotten a bag of this, and it was kind of small, so I was glad to find this 10-ounce container of this stuff. And just to give you an idea of the size, here it is in comparison to a C4 can. There's a lot of powder in here. They give you a scoop inside of here, and a serving size of this is a half scoop, so there's basically 283 servings in here. I like that compared to the small bag that I had before. It is free of wheat, gluten, soy, dairy, shellfish, peanuts, and tree nuts. And there are no other ingredients in here other than the mushroom proprietary blend that they have in here. We got lion's mane, reishi, organic, I don't know how to say that, oyster mushroom, shiitake, all kinds of stuff going on in here. Here you can see the scoop size on this. And when I got it, it was completely sealed in plastic, and there was a cover on the top to protect it. So I like that. Came nice and fresh. I love putting this in my coffee. Nice big container that'll last me a long time for the purpose that I use it, and pretty awesome.